Right then, welcome back for another episode of Fixing Tech on My Kitchen Table. Picked up another Mega Drive, don't tell the missus. And this has just got apparently an intermittent power fault on the jack. So whenever I turn it on, it does work, but apparently wiggling the jack on the back turns it off and turns it on. So it's probably just a solder fault. But interestingly, I noticed on the back there's been a wire cut out of it, so it's quite interesting what that's going to be. We'll open it up and have a go and see what's happening. Well, looking at that, there's obviously someone's done a bit of tinkering inside. Yeah, it's quite interesting that. Not sure what kind of mod it's going to be. Perhaps it's some sort of RGB mod maybe, or when I played it didn't seem to be 60 Hz, so I don't think it's a 60 Hz mod. Well, yeah, not too sure with this, to be honest. Something underneath, not on top. And tape on here, so hopefully they've actually soldered it on rather than just taped it on. There's something going on. Well, if you look at that, if you can see, they actually haven't soldered the wires. They've just wrapped it around the capacitor legs. I have no idea what this is trying to do. Maybe they're trying to get no, I ain't got a foggiest. Trying to get external voltage maybe for a Mega CD or something like that, or a 32X. It's the only thing I can think of. Yeah, quite interesting. I think I'll just take that off. Actually, I might plug it in and measure the voltage and see what's coming off that, and just have a wonder. Let's plug it in again. Not very good when you've got a broken power jack. Well, there doesn't seem to be anything coming off there. very, very confused. Stick a game in, see if that makes a difference. Haven't got a foggiest. He's not outputting anything worth any salt, to be honest. I'll just I think I'll just email the seller and just see what he thinks it is. He might not have a clue, to be honest, but interesting nevertheless. Anyway, back to the problem at hand. Usually we just get some dry joints down at the power board, and if you can see that, you can see some well dry joints on the back one here. So all we need to do, get the old soldering iron. To be honest, even just resolder that. Get me some. Just go through all the connections there, just in case they've gone as well. I'm going to take these things off because one's fallen off already, which is always a good start, isn't it? So let's just take it off because it doesn't seem to be providing anything at all. I don't see why people can't just solder these things. I mean, it's not hard soldering. Even the worst of solderers, i.e. me, can solder and just stick a blob of solder on there. It's not hard, is it? Oh, it's really wrapped around there. I think all they've done is wrapped the wire around the leg. Really, really awful. Just make sure I get all the bits of strands of wire there. Just don't want it shorting out. Yeah, that's good as gold. Get it plugged back in. I'm not sure if you can see the power button there, but LEDs there, solid as a rock, rocking it backwards and forwards and working beautifully. Simple fix. Of course I'm going to mod this and email the seller and see what's going on, but yeah, easy fix. Well, I've got Game Gear to fix. That'll be for my next video. Got to replace the capacitors on that one, so yeah, that's going to be a bit of a fiddly job, but I'll post the video up and see you then.